Oh, that was really good. You know, sometimes I just like to walk around outside and commune with nature. Hey, bonjour! Bonjour, Gatina. Hello, everyone. My name is Natasha, and we're filming BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO Agua Ching. We're filming outside today. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO from Agua Ching. Hey, BOOZHOO, Anishinaabe Doog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the outdoors edition. Today, I thought, um, our Ojibwe word of the day, Agua Ching, outside, Agua Ching. We're gonna do this outside today, and I thought it might be a good day just to offer up some tobacco. So today I'm gonna offer tobacco to the four directions and Mother Earth, and to Gitchimanadu, the Great Spirit. So I'll do this in Ojibwe, and if if you're interested in learning how to offer tobacco to the spirits of the four directions. All right. So first off, you get a little pinch of tobacco here, and you gotta face east. We start everything in the east because that's where the sun comes from. And you hold it up there and you go, BOOZHOO, Otapa naman, niwi asema, manadugo were, wabanung. Accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the east. And then you turn this way to the south and you go, Otapa naman, niwi asema, manadugo were, jawanung. Jawanung, south. And you turn to the west and you go, Otapa naman niwi asema, manadugo were, Ningabianang, to the spirits over there in the west. And then we face the north and we say, Otapa naman niwi asema, manadugo were, kiweren. Accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the north. And you just sort of gesture down to the earth, and you say, BOOZHOO mama aki, hello Mother Earth. Otapa naman, niwi asema, accept my tobacco. And then you can gesture up to the firmament, and you say, BOOZHOO kitchi manadu. Otapa naman, niwi asema. And that's how you offer your tobacco to the Great Spirit, to the Creator. And then you take this tobacco and you just put it in a tree or something. Just put it someplace where no one's gonna walk on it. And this is your tobacco offering. And hey, BOOZHOO mitig. I'll put a little tobacco right there. All right, and that's how you do it. So I guess that's all I have for today. I want to say miigwech for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Menawa, Hoa. And this is the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe Moan. Today's Ojibwe word of the day, Hanama E, prayer. Gitchi manado, daga widuka wishin, wiweni ji, nana gura wendaman. Jiodapanaman, inu kikashki kitusiwan, chianji sidoyan, kikashki kitoyan. Judea pichi nabwakayan, ji kikenda manono. Creator, please that I may have careful consideration to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and to have the vision to know the difference. That's pretty much the Serenity prayer. I want to say, Miigwech Bizandawiag, thank you for listening. And I want to say Miigwech to Natasha for playing the flute. That really sounded cool. All right, that's all I have. Iga Wabamin Minawa. I'll see you again. Hawa.